Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making a dish which is very useful for pregnant women. This is called beetroot methi masala. So for this we need fenugreek leaf, garlic, tomato, coriander leaf, sliced onion, beetroot peeled and chopped, coriander seed powder, garam masala, salt and turmeric powder. In a pan add 1 teaspoon of oil. Spread oil all over the pan. Add 4 finely chopped garlic. Cook it for half a minute. Now add 1 chopped onion. Cook till onion is pink. It will take around 1 minute. Now add 150 grams of peeled and chopped beetroot. Very high source of folic acid. Very good in iron and energy. Good for mood swings during pregnancy. Add turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Add coriander seed powder half a teaspoon. Add garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Add salt to taste. Now add 2 chopped tomato. Tomato is rich in vitamin C, so the body can absorb the iron of beetroot by using tomato. Cook it for 1 minute. Now add fenugreek leaf around 50 grams. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute mix it. Check the beetroot. If it is done, then garnish it with coriander leaf and your beetroot methi masala is ready. Thank you.